Hi, my name is Kimberly Broussard, and today I will be performing the sterile dressing change skills video. I have all of my proper equipment here. I am in my proper attire. I have on my name badge, and let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that I'll do, I'll knock on the patient's door. I'll enter. I'll greet myself. Hi, my name is Kimberly, and I'll be a nurse today. I will perform hand hygiene. I will close the curtain behind me for patient privacy. I will then begin to explain to the patient about the procedure and ask for consent. Hi, I will be performing your dressing change. Is it okay if I touch you in order to perform this procedure? Once I get the verbal yes, then I will begin the procedure. And before I do that, I will take the patient's wrist, look at their name band, and ask them to please verify their full name and date of birth to make sure that I have the correct patient. And then I'll move on to my procedure. So, first thing that I'll do, I will put on my regular exam gloves. I will remove the current bandaging. I'll remove it in a parallel fashion, and I will dispose of exam gloves and the bandaging. Next thing I'll do, I will open my kit, making sure that I do not touch the inside of the kit because the inside of the kit is sterile. I will remove my gloving. Place that down. I have my gloving within range. I will then put on my gloving. None of my gloving's on. I'm gonna fix for proper usage. I'm going to move this out the way. Next thing I'm gonna do, scoot back down. I'm going to grab my swab. I'm gonna drop it in my hand. I'm gonna grip, and I'm gonna go start cleaning from inside out. And I'm going to dispose of that. I'm then going to grab my 2x2, drop it again, and I'm going to dry, performing the same movement, inside, out, dispose, and then I'm going to palpate. I'm going to see if there's signs, change in color, odor, just see if there's any changes. And then I'm going to grab my tegaderm. I'm able to use two hands now. I'm going to open the packaging. I'm going to dispose of that. I'm going to open. I'm going to place the tegaderm over the wound. And then I'm going to remove the outer layer. Once the dressing is on, I am now going to remove my gloving. Dispose of said gloving. I'm going to perform hand hygiene. I'm going to reposition my patient, ask them if they need anything. Do you need anything before I leave? If they say no, I'll exit the room. I'll close the curtain for patient privacy. I'll exit the room and I'll chart my results. Thank you.